Welcome back to chatgpt TV. Right now, we're traveling by bus through the beautiful countryside of Japan. And outside this window, you can see the incredible Hakuba mountain range. Even before reaching the destination, the journey itself already feels special. As the bus moves forward, the scenery slowly unfolds. The mountains rise gently in the distance, standing tall and peaceful. There's something very calming about watching them pass by from inside the bus. The quiet movement, the steady road, and the view outside create a perfect moment to relax and simply observe. Hakuba is located in Nagano Prefecture and is part of the famous Japanese Alps. This region is known all around the world for its natural beauty and outdoor activities. Many travelers visit Hakuba for adventure. But even if you're just passing through, the scenery alone is worth the trip. Hakuba became internationally famous after hosting events during the 1998 Winter Olympics. Since then, it has grown into one of Japan's most popular mountain destinations. During winter, these mountains are covered in thick white snow, turning the area into a paradise for skiing and snowboarding. The slopes, the villages, and the atmosphere during winter are truly magical. But Hakuba isn't only beautiful in winter. During spring and summer, the snow melts away and reveals green forests, wide valleys, and fresh mountain air. In autumn, the mountains change color, creating a stunning mix of red, orange, and yellow. Each season brings a completely different feeling to this place. Watching Hakuba from the bus gives a unique perspective. You're not rushing. You're not focused on plans or schedules. You're simply present, watching nature move slowly by. The road curves gently, and with every turn, a new view appears, sometimes a mountain peak, sometimes a quiet village, sometimes endless greenery. Moments like this remind us how important it is to slow down. Life often moves very fast, but here, surrounded by nature, everything feels balanced. The mountains don't rush, and neither should we. Just sitting here, enjoying the view, feels refreshing for both the mind and the soul. Hakuba is also home to small towns and local communities that live in harmony with nature. From the bus, you may catch glimpses of houses, farms, and roads that blend naturally into the landscape. It's a simple life, but a beautiful one. As we continue this journey, take a moment to appreciate the view outside. The mountains, the sky, and the road ahead all come together to create a peaceful scene. Whether you're watching this video to relax, to plan a future trip, or simply to enjoy the scenery, I hope this view brings you a sense of calm. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful bus ride through Hakuba Mountain. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to chatgpt TV. I'll see you in the next adventure.